everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 21st to the 25th of February 2022 on Monday. Lindiwe's constant meeting with Mnqobi continued to unsettle her family, while Mabuto's new job is the furthest thing from what he expected on Tuesday. Lindiwe gets some uncomfortable questions leveled at her, and Mabuto uses an age-old trick to get ahead on Wednesday. Mabuto suspects foul play at work, while Zweli starts to feel very uncomfortable in his own home on Thursday. Mabuto is determined to get to the bottom of whatever is going on at his workplace. Detective Shabalala delivers a cold splash of water to Zweli's face on Friday. Mabuto accepts an invitation, not knowing that he's just stepped into the devil's backyard, while Zweli acts on his hunch. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.